Hey, it's Paul Farmer. What I want to talk about is lack of money. Lack of money. Is lack of money what is holding you back from a great opportunity, so to speak? And I was reading this book. It's called The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. And this is probably 6 or 7 times I've read this book. And one of the things he talks about is lack of money is never, ever the reason for your lack of success. Lack of money is just a symptom of what's going on the inside. That there's something wrong on the inside, your thinking, how you think, that is affecting you, and you're putting lack of money as the reason for your problems. And it's not that at all. Instead, it's what's going on the inside, because lack of money can be overcome. There's other people's money, right? You can go and put it on a credit card. You can take out a loan, a business loan. You could ask somebody. You could sell something. You can go get a second job. If lack of money is what's holding you back from something you know that is going to be a huge value to you, that's going to benefit you for years to come, then why aren't you doing something about it? Why are you allowing that excuse, because that's what it is, it's an excuse, to hold you back? Now, I suggest, because I used to suffer from this as well, oh, I don't have the money, I can't do that. That's something that's very common that I hear a lot. That's something I used to say a lot. Oh, I can't afford this. Well, instead of I can't, say how can I? How can I afford this? And by doing that, you're going to start finding ways that you can. So maybe it's getting that second job. Maybe it's selling something in your house. You know, there's many different ways you can go about it. Go ask your friend. Go ask your family. Borrow the money. And this is what wealthy people do. They don't put their own money into things. They borrow the money. They leverage the money, right? They leverage. They use other people's money. They go build their empire, and then they make way more money than they borrowed. It's the people that sit and say, oh, I don't have money, I can't do it, those are the people that are always going to be stuck. Now, I hope that's not you. I hope you can look beyond it and go, okay, you know what? There is a way. I can find a way to do it. And if you are suffering from this, if you have this lack of money mentality, please, I beg you, go and start reading this book, because this book breaks down pretty much the difference between poor people and rich people and how they think. And if you want to be wealthy, you need to start thinking like a wealthy person thinks, not like a broke person thinks. And this is kind of a plague, so to speak, in so many people. And I understand, because it's tough. You know, the economy is tough. People don't have jobs. People aren't getting paid what they deserve. I get it. I understand it. But it does start with the mind. It starts with how you think. And then you go from there. So I highly recommend this book. There's many other books too you can check out, but I highly recommend this one. I read this one at least once a month. It's just something I like to keep around and keep in these principles in mind. So whenever I'm slipping back to that poor way of thinking, I come back to this book and it sets me straight to the way wealthy people think. And it's very different. Anyway, if you got value from this video, please like, share, and comment about it. I do appreciate it. Please be sure to check out my blog, and feel free to contact me on Skype or on Facebook. I'll put that information in the video. With that, have a fantastic day.